how to find exported videos on CapCut on your computer. So once you have your project set and you're ready to export your file, you want to go to the top right hand corner of your CapCut window here and hit export. And then once you're here, you're going to have a lot of settings of your render settings for your resolution and where the video is going to go. So underneath the name, you'll see here it says export to, and it has a file destination path. What you can do is click the folder, and you can make this path anywhere that you want. So if I were to drop down and go to desktop, and then I were to pick a folder here, so let's just go to video folder, and I'll double click that, and then it says open. And now that pathway has changed, so when you hit export, it will go to that folder. So we can export.
Believe in magic.
And then it's done rendering. And then if I were to go out to that folder, here is the video, and that's it. It's very simple to do and very easy to find and pick and choose where you want your rendered videos to go to.